YouTubers.
Hi, YouTubers.
We are having, you can't see it or whatever, a huge windstorm right now.
The remnants of the hurricane.
Yeah, it's because of Ike. Man.
Ike needs to take his butt back out to sea.
Yeah, Ike needs to go away. But I don't know if you can hear like the wind roaring, but it's just like kind of crazy out right now. They said like 40 to 50 mile an hour winds.
We'll do an after video. You'll see.
Yep, definitely. Is that a motorcycle? One, two.
Are they in cars or what?
Yeah, I'm thinking so. And it hasn't even really started.
They want to get home.
Yeah, they want to get home.
Jack could care less. He has his toy.
He does. Hi, Jack. Jack. What do you have?
Protection from the sun.
It's kind of. Yeah, they're all crazy. But YouTubers, that's what we're up to today. We're just being dorks and watching the wind.
No power.
Oh yeah, the power is out. That's why we're wind watching. No power. But I hope you guys have a good day.
Bye, YouTubers.
Bye. I think that's 4.